I think we are rolling again. Okay, welcome back after however long it's been. I just started to do this tutorial, but then it didn't work, so I had to start again. So we are going to learn how to make a Flappy Cat game today, and it stops the game like that. Or you could use the up arrow and hit that, and then it stops the game again. Buildings don't do anything, it's just a nice background, in my opinion. Not. Okay, let's get started. Again. Export that. Cat one flying. Wait, I don't need to do this anymore. What am I doing? Just need to upload the sprites. Gliding. I'm gonna call this Super Cat, if that's what I'm saying, because we can't get the stuff ready. So Super Cat, and then we upload a new costume called Jumping. Christmas is almost here, yay! Okay, so finally start. One clicked. I should do this in a new window actually. Nope, not doing that. Nope. Oh, come on, fine. Please do not mind this. Seriously. Cause I already have lyrics and I'm almost done. Okay, I'm sorry, I just had this weird song stuck in my head. Not now, I do not want to save this. Hurry up, my Wi-Fi is terrible at the moment. Flappy Cat. And now I can just quickly close that tab. Once this works. Okay, sorry. Now, when click, go to X minus 167 Y5. Go to X minus 167 Y5. Set size to 75%, not 77. Make sure you don't make that mistake. Oh no, I'd not change size by 10. Set size to 75%. Show. Forever. Oh god. If keys okay, if or now, if else, sorry. Now we need an or. If, okay, key space, if key space pressed or up arrow press. So this basically means that if we press the space key or the up arrow, so you must be playing on a computer for this, and if you press either of those, then the cat will do its thing like this. Let me show you quickly. Oh, come on. Not now, computer, don't fail on me. So basically it's going to just jump like that. It's actually quite a tricky game, even though it may not look it. But if, and we quickly just duplicate that and put that in there. Okay, just change this one, that's easier. Then we need to jump. So now we need to make our own block. Some of you may be very excited for this. I haven't done this in ages. Just move this to the side for now. And we'll deal with that a bit later. See, that's only 2 bits of coding. Okay, okay then, so we put jump in there. Come on, there. and change y by -4. So change y by, no. Now it's only stopping if I press the arrow keys or space. Look, see, so I'm pressing space, I'm pressing arrow key, space, now let go, and it just goes like that. But that's not what we want. If touching, so now here's the bit where we need to export. We don't need to export that. So we need to upload a backdrop now. I've called it backdrop. Where is it? Anyways, okay, backdrop1.png. I might put this somewhere else here. I'm gonna have to, isn't it? Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to make the game. Or you could put any backdrop that you want, as long as the grass is green. And this bit doesn't really matter. The buildings do not matter, as long as this bit is. That's the bit that matters. So, anyways, go back. Okay, so if touching. Oh no, we don't need that, do we? If, not if else. So make sure it's underneath the else, not inside the else. So if touching color, and then we just quickly duplicate this all. Honestly, some stuff like this could really do better. I honestly prefer Scratch 3. Scratch 2 than Scratch 3, which is weird. And now, I really need this to work now. I really need this to work. Yes, I do allow downloads. What is it called? Pipes2.sprite3. Okay, so now we upload a sprite from file. I beg that this works. This really needs. Oh no, I don't want that. Not now. I'm going to save this just in case. Good. Nope, not working. Okay, so now we need to paint the pipes then. Huh? Oh, okay. Now we need to paint the pipe. We don't need to do anything like, we don't need to do any coding yet on that. So it's just basically two green rectangles. Two green rectangles sitting on the wall. Okay. Need a perfect rectangle. Oh no, it's gonna give me a square, isn't it? I've got the rules of Scratch. I need to clear that. Okay. Some stuff doesn't really work these days that well, does it? Okay, so one green rectangle and two. Actually, I don't need to do that. All I need to do is really one green rectangle. Now I can want to duplicate that. Oh yes, I can. That's good. And then that just goes up there. And okay, and we just quickly make sure that he can fit. He's quite big, isn't he? I'm sure I made him set his size smaller. Set size to 75%. Needs to be smaller then. 45. Yeah, he can fit in there because he's 45, isn't he? I'm 45 years old, but 45. So So we're just going to quickly name this pipes. Okay, so touching that or that, then say ouch, out. And that time I was not very intelligent. Okay, so I'll say, no, I do not want him to say that. I want him to say ouch for 2 seconds. No, no, ouch, see? Ouch. I'm going to say ouch. That hurt. Watch. Actually, nah, doesn't that bit. Then, wait. Now I need to wait 0.001 seconds, I think. 0.01 or 0.01. Okay, so 0.01 seconds. And then I'm going to make him broadcast a message. So this time it's going to be a bit different. So broadcast message saying, try again. And then stop this script, not all scripts. So stop this script. Okay, and now you just quickly need to define jump. So switch. So we'll define jump. Switch costume to jumping. Switch. So switch costume to jumping. Repeat 6. Change Y by 5. And then switch costume to gliding. Repeat 6. Repeat. 6. Change Y by 5. So change Y by 5. And last bit, switch costume to gliding. And so switch costume to okay, so that is it today for today. This is part 1 of Flappy Cat, and today we did the cat. And just before we leave it, I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna quickly make a good luck, bad luck next time. So I'm gonna make a blue backdrop, blue circle, fit in, then just text saying better luck next. And then we just need to quickly change the color of that to perhaps black. No, not like that. Oh, great, now I need to quickly delete that. Clear and start that bit again. Circle. Now I need it to be black. Actually, I want it red. That would be nice color, wouldn't it? Then quickly put that in there. Shrink the text if I can. No, 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 no. Come on. And I just quickly need to type that again. And then that's the message. And then I'm gonna quickly name that. I'm gonna name that inspirational message. Of failure. Okay, and that's it. I will quickly just say this after. See you next time in part 2 of this.